Hello, my name is Tori, and now I'm gonna show you our product, bird and animal repeller. Yes, bird repeller, YD-Q2. Okay, you can easily find all the instructions in the user manual. But today I'm gonna introduce you this device. Okay, by this video. First, let me introduce the main device. This one. The material is very protect the device well, and it was waterproof. Yes, when the rain is not so heavy, it can it was waterproof to prove the circuit board of this device. Okay, this side and this side, it's the same. There are two sides, and this bottle is a ultrasonic bottle. Ultrasonic, yes, ultrasound. This one is the same, ultrasound. And for this light, these two lights is a flashing light, red flashing light, to scare the animal who is closing, okay, who is getting closing. And this is a light sensor to detect if it's a daytime or it's in the evening. Yes, when it's in the darkness, the device, you can set the device not to work in the darkness, okay, in the dark day. And this really flashing light, yes, flashing light to scare the animal when it's walking. Okay, and look at here. There are so many ports. Yeah, there's so many ports. The first port is a switch to turn on or turn off the device. Yeah, to turn on or turn off the device. The switch. And this one is the pole for the adapter. You connect the adapter to the power supply, and then you can power on this device. And also for this switch, okay, two switch. One switch to switch two mode. The first mode is to work. You set the device to work the whole day, 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. And the second mode is to work only in the daytime when there is sunshine. Yes, the light sensor can detect the sunshine or not. Then it will work or not. And for this one, the USB port, you can download some sound to scare the animals. Yes, for example, if you want to repair the birds or wild animals, you can download the sounds of the gunshot. Yeah, gunshot. Then when the animal hear it, they will be scared. They will be scared. And this one is a SD card port. Yeah, SD card port, and the same function as the USB port. You can download some sound that the animal scared to the SD card and insert it to the device. Then the device will play the sound again and again by order. Okay, and after introducing all this, I'm gonna show you another part, or yes, the other parts of the device, and I will try to install them together and show you how it works to the animals and birds. These two speakers, yes, very powerful. I can tell it's very powerful to repair the animals and birds because it's very loud. Especially in the farm, you want to repair the animal who go to eat your crop, yes, crop, or to destroy your farm. This two speaker will help you. Will help you. And this one, the adapter. Okay, connect to the adapter pole. And this is the wire. Connect to the adapter. And then we put plug in, okay, to the socket. Then it was installed. It was installed well. Now let me show you how it works. First one to turn on. Okay. First one to turn on the switch. Okay, to switch the power. Okay, just turn it off because it's too loud here. And just as you can see now, just now, this red light refreshing is the red light refreshing to scare the animals. And at the same time, the sound will be very loud. And this one is ultrasonic muzzle, also where emits the ultrasonic to scare the animal. So that's good. Let me show you again. Let me show you again. Wow, the sound is very loud. Okay, now and then you can install this device. You can hang this device on the wall. Yes, you can hang this device on the wall. Then it will be okay. Especially in the farm, you can use this device. So that's all. Thank you. And one more thing, I have to remind you that our device can also be adapted to the outside, okay, to the outside, to the farm, okay, because some place they don't have the power supply. So now this one, yes, you can see it's a solar panel. The solar panel, and this one is a battery. Okay, it's a battery. It's battery, so you can power the device by the solar energy. Connect. Then connect. Yes. With this solar energy bolt, okay, with this bolt of solar panel, then the device can work too. So don't afraid of you can't use it outside. You can use it, okay, you can use it outside. It can repair the animal or birds effectively. Thank you.